supply chain facts, and the company that focus more on supply chain performance will naturally achieve more results. Only 45% of companies believe that supply chain is strategic asset, whereas merely 9% of supply chain management is helping the companies to achieve competitive edge over competitors. Operating trades, getting the right products at right time, sales and bettering the performance help the business to outperform over and above the quality, price and differentiation of product. After this, global strategic sourcing is the phenomena. In simple language means sourcing of goods and services from any country where they are available at economic rates. It is scarce procurement ensured by strategic sourcing to process third-party external spend. The cost of labor and material are low in certain regions and therefore they are main area of focus for developing nations. There are certain challenges that can be faced while implementing supply chains. First and foremost is accurate forecasting of demand. It is highly important to accurately forecast the demand. Otherwise, it may lead to resources tying up and even the space. However, understocking may lead to loss in customer base. It is very important to have right data in order to forecast the demand accurately. Uncovering of trend become easy if one has visibility of how sales vary on the basis of geography, category, and type of customers. Inaccurate prediction may end up company incurring big expenses and losses.
Commerce management. Due to increase in players in the market, the competition is become more and more aggressive. As a result, it is very important to negotiate the best price for your product and services. After that, the accurate forecasting is necessary in order to convey supplier in your favor. If predicted sale are not accurate enough, that is high chances, then it means there are high chances that company may incur financial problems. After that, next slide is of supplier management. Everyone in business known that supplier and which one are outperforming others. It is important to understand that not all suppliers give their best ideas. After that, the point shows that the importance of leading times cannot be undermined. The performance of business, again, OTIF quality metrics is important. And the last point is it's very important to listen the one instance, but one cannot put other supplier at risk.
Management of purchase process. You will able to save money and time to cut down on administration when you are managing thousands of suppliers, numerous branches of business, thousands of products and etc. Manual process, if involved in accounting or sales and purpose, there will be a chance of minor manual error. Therefore, this may damage the customer relation and may prove to be costly to business.
First point, timely and accurate demand forecast is essential as it not only affects the sales but also manufacturing supply chain, and as a result of it a business can encounter many problems like unstable inventory, and this may also lead to deteriorations of supplier relationship, and also company may fall short of cash flows in long run. Second point, projecting sales figures and peak sales is very crucial to maintain the successful business and reputation for the company and also keep customers happy. The last point, due to poor forecasting, wrong decisions will be made, and even policymaker belief will be reduced. Steps to be taken to mitigate these risks. In order to improve the accuracy of forecast, alliance and coordination between customers and suppliers should be established. Prompt responses to changes, demand changes, etc. should be taken care immediately so that forecast error is minimized to maximum extent possible. A supply chain emergency plan should be created. It's always good to have a backup plan, especially when supplies are concerned. During the preparation of plan, all the angles, different ways of moving goods should be imagined, and also emergency budget should also be created for the same. Steps to be taken to mitigate these risks. Stockpile of essential supplies should be created when we can forecast certain disruptions. Moreover, risk analysis of supply chain should be conducted on timely basis, which helps one in focusing on alternatives, and timely vulnerability audit should be conducted. Backup suppliers should be identified for each geographical location. Current suppliers and a good relationship should be built with them. Use technology to evaluate potential threats and also find a solutions to predicted problem beforehand.
The elements of strategic resource process that are top candidates for improvement at Company SF are listed below. Supply market analyze. The company can renew the processes and reanalyze the prospective new global and local suppliers, and company can even try to create a new marketplace. Strategic development. The main aim of strategic development is to minimize cost and increase the return so that profit can be maximized. Benchmark the results. There is a constant need to re-monitor the process, and it is a key requirement which can be followed. The process provides the strategist the current status of commodity or category. Moreover, it also helps you to identify and stretch realistic and achievable objectives. Steps to tackle production of illegal merchandise by construct manufacturers, hiring of new supply chain heads who can analyze the process and can improve the error should be hired. This will improve the strategic sourcing process, and also it can be made optimum by utilization of resources in proper manner. The best way to approach this problem is by collaborative efforts. All the authorities and as well as employees work together to detect the counterfeit production, share intelligence, and also penalize the people involved. The new owner of the company should have a complete walkthrough of the process so that he is able to understand the and become aware of the existing situation. It will help the owner of the process realize the value of product and also the loopholes which might usually overlooked. Throughout this process of supply of goods can be similar.